When we started to hear more about the potential health benefits, even with a disease like cancer, we wanted to know for sure that our products were being tested. You know, many times nutraceutical companies will come out with a product and they will find good research that exists in scientific literature, but they are not willing to subject their product to clinical trials and studies at major medical universities like Wake Forest. And that's what really differentiates Nature's Pearl. And the first study that I want to go over with you today was the one that you're seeing on your screen now. The effect of Nature's Pearl muscadine seed and grape skin extract on the growth of human cancer cells. And we were simply asking this question: does Nature's Pearl muscadine grape seed or grape skin extracts inhibit cancer cell growth? We tested lung, brain, breast, colon, skin, prostate, and leukemia because these are some of the sites or types that are the leading types of cancers that exist today. Now, this first slide that I want to show you is one of the results slides, and I'm not going to explain this graph because I have the inhibition by the numbers in conclusion in a moment. But we want you to see the science for yourself, and you see that this slide is titled Muscadine Grapeseed and Grape Skin Extracts Inhibit the Growth of Triple-Negative Breast Cancer Cells. You know, there's three types of breast cancer. There's an estrogen receptor positive, a HER2 overexpressing, and triple negative. And this particular finding was so important to us because there's no standard of care for any lady that has triple negative breast cancer except for removal of the breast. So when these results came back from Wake Forest University, you can imagine that we were ecstatic and said, wow, we can help a lot of people. The next one I'm going to show to you and then get to a conclusion slide so you can see the percentages for yourself is this lung cancer. Muscadine grapeseed and grape skin extract inhibit the growth of SKLU1 human lung cancer cells. Both muscadine grapeseed and grape skin extracts both significantly reduced human lung cancer cell growth. The conclusion of the study was this: in human lung cancer cells, our extracts inhibited the growth by 81.8%, colon 80.5%, prostate 80.4%, breast, specifically in triple negative, 92.6% inhibition, and in skin cancer, 60.9%, leukemia 74.2%. Very incredible that on all cell lines tested that you see this consistent inhibition of cancer cell growth in these in vitro studies. These studies were presented by Wake Forest University to the AACR, the American Association for Cancer Research, and they were accepted for presentation. Dr. Ann Talent and Patricia Gallagher of Wake Forest University presented this abstract at the annual meeting of the oldest, largest scientific organization in the world that peer reviews this type of research being done on cancer.